Good evening, friends. I am Shada Sahu. Today I am here to discuss about the chapter area for class 7th. In the area chapter, we will discuss about the definition of area of square, area of rectangle, and area of circle. Now, area definition. An area is defined as a space occupied by any two-dimensional shapes. Example: square, rectangle, circle. That means any two-dimensional shape, the area, the region occupied by that shape is called the area. Just like in rectangle or in a triangle, the shaded region, that is the region inside the triangle and the region inside the rectangle, is called the area. Remember, area is always measured in square unit, that is meter square, centimeter square or kilometer square. Whatever its unit is, it is always measured in meter square, in square units. Now we will discuss about the area of square. Since all the sides of a square are equal, therefore the area of square is given by side into side. Area, we can write it as side square. Let us take an example to understand it. A square has a side of 6 centimeter. Find the area of the square. Solution. Given, what is given? Side of a square, that is 6 centimeter, and we have to find area of square. Area of square is given by side into side, so we have to put the value of side of a square, that is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter, we will get 36 centimeter square. Hence, area of square is 36 centimeter square. Now, we will discuss about the area of rectangle. In a rectangle, there the opposite sides are equal, and there is a length and there is a breadth. Now, area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. Example, let us take an example. A rectangle has length of 9 centimeter and breadth of 8 centimeter. Find the area of the rectangle. What we have given is length of rectangle, that is 9 centimeter, and breadth of rectangle, that is 8 centimeter. Now, area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. So, length is 9 centimeter into breadth is 8 centimeter. We will put the values of length and breadth, and we will get the answer as 72 centimeter square. Hence, the area of rectangle is 72 centimeter square. Now, area of circle. To find out the area of circle, first we have to understand the radius and the terms radius and diameter. Radius is given by r, and it is defined as the distance from the center of the circle to the edge, outside edge. It is called radius. An area of circle is given by pi r square. Now, pi is a constant value, and its value is a constant, and its value is 3.14 or 22/7. And diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is a straight line that goes from one side to the other side of the circle, passing through the center. And remember, radius is always half of the diameter. That is, diameter is from one point to the other point. A straight line that goes from one edge of the circle to the other edge of the circle passing from the center, and radius is always half of the diameter. Now let us take some example to understand. A circle has a radius of 7 centimeter. Find its area. Now what we have given is radius, that is 7 centimeter. Now area of circle is given by pi r square. Pi's value is 22/7 into radius. How much radius is given? 7 centimeter. So we have to put the value of radius. Now after solving this, we will get the answer as 154 centimeter square. Hence the area of circle is 154 centimeter square. Now let us take another example in which we have given diameter. A circle has a diameter of 21 centimeter. Find its area. Now diameter is equal to 21 centimeter. We have to find out radius first. Radius is given by diameter by 2, that is 21/2 centimeter. Now area of circle is pi r square. We will put the values of radius and pi and then we will solve it. Pi's values is given by 22/7. Radius is 21/2 whole square. Then we will solve it and we will get the answer as 346.50 centimeter square. Thank you.